In a quiet town, surrounded by gentle green hills, there lived a young boy named Noah. He went to the nearby village school and lived a simple, peaceful life. Like other children, Noah played with his friends, listened to birds singing in the morning, and watched clouds drift slowly across the sky. That small world made him happy. But there was one thing that troubled him deeply: studying. No matter how hard Noah tried, the lessons never made sense to him. Numbers confused him. Words slipped away from his memory. Some classmates laughed when he made mistakes. Their jokes slowly broke his confidence. Little by little, Noah began to believe that he wasn't smart enough. One afternoon, after school had ended, Noah noticed that the classroom was still occupied. His philosophy teacher, Mr. Collins, was sitting quietly at his desk. Noah walked toward him with hesitation and spoke in a low voice. "Sir, may I talk to you?" Mr. Collins looked up and smiled. "Of course, sit down." After a moment of silence, Noah finally spoke. "Sir, I'm very bad at studying. I forget everything. I can't focus. Sometimes I feel like giving up." The teacher listened carefully. Then he said gently, "Noah, you are not alone. Many students feel this way. If you truly want to improve, I can help you. I will teach you 5 simple lessons. If you follow them, they can change the way you learn." The first lesson was about calming the mind. Mr. Collins brought a clear bottle filled with muddy water. "What do you see?" he asked. "Dirty water," Noah replied. "Let's wait," the teacher said. After some time, the dirt settled at the bottom, and the water became clear. "Our mind works the same way," Mr. Collins explained. "When it is filled with stress and fear, nothing becomes clear. Before studying, sit quietly for 5 minutes. Breathe slowly. Let your thoughts settle." The second lesson was about staying present. The teacher placed a lit candle on the table. "Look only at the flame," he said. "Don't follow your thoughts." At first, Noah's mind wandered, but slowly his focus returned to the flame. "The past is gone," Mr. Collins said. "The future hasn't arrived." When your mind drifts while studying, gently bring it back. The third lesson was about understanding. Mr. Collins placed a sponge and a stone on the table and poured water over both. The sponge absorbed the water. The stone stayed dry. "Memorizing without understanding is like the stone," he said. "But understanding is like the sponge. Always try to understand ideas, not just repeat words." The fourth lesson was about learning in small steps. The teacher handed Noah a large wooden block. He said, "Try to break it." Noah couldn't. Then, Mr. Collins cut the block into smaller pieces. This time, it broke easily. "Big topics are the same," he explained. "Break them into small parts. Study a little every day." The fifth lesson was about daily practice. The teacher planted seeds in 2 pots. One pot was watered daily, the other was ignored. Soon, only one plant grew. "Even a short study time every day matters," Mr. Collins said. "Consistency brings results." Noah followed these lessons carefully. At first, progress was slow, but with time, he noticed real change. He could focus longer. Lessons became clearer. Fear slowly faded away. Most importantly, he began to enjoy learning. Years later, Noah became a confident and successful person. He often remembered that quiet afternoon, the day 5 simple lessons changed his life forever. And if you are struggling right now, remember this: calm your mind, learn with patience, practice every day. Small efforts grow into great success. If this story inspired you, please like and share it. Subscribe to the channel for more meaningful stories. I'll see you again soon. Until then, stay patient and keep moving forward.